Hey, what's up, guys? This is Shan Jain, and you are listening KingyCast. So, in this episode, we have a special guest, Aryan Yadav. So, he is a computer science student in MIT WPU Pune, and he is doing coding from class 6 and won first hackathon in class 11th. Worked with more than 5 startups in the field of product development and business development, and secured a position of 23rd in between 2,500 teams at Pan India in Samadhan Hackathon organized by Government of India, and recently won a ideathon, and he totally participated in 5 hackathons. So today he will be giving us tips regarding coding. So welcome Aryan bhaiya.
Okay, hello Shreyans. Thank you for such a warm introduction, bhai.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
bhaiya. It's my pleasure. Okay. So bhaiya, before starting from first question, so can you tell us about some your coding journey?
So regarding my coding journey, started off in like sixth. एक language है. Obviously, we don't say it as a language, but yeah, HTML is a thing. So
Yeah.
started with that. यार स्कूल के सिलेबस में था.
Hmm.
तब थोड़ा हैंड्स ऑन लगा. थोड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज लगी क्योंकि मैं प्रिविलेज था काफी. मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मेरे को रख रखा था कि मेरे पास बचपन से कंप्यूटर था, लाइक द डे आई वाज बोर्न फ्रॉम. सो बचपन से गेम खेलना ये, एंड फिर एक एक्साइटमेंट था कि यार जो होता है, जो देखते हैं ना स्क्रीन पे, अब वो बनाने का मौका मिल रहा है तो अपने मन मर्जी से कर सकते हैं. तो
So
वो
you
काफी एक्साइटिंग लगा था, तो थोड़ा एक जग गया था तब कि यार मजा आ रहा है. HTML ठीक है, इतना कुछ खास नहीं था, बट ठीक है, कुछ लगा था कि कुछ तो कर रहे हैं. तो इट स्टार्टेड ऑफ लाइक दैट.
so you started designing apps and all that
नहीं, सिक्स
in
में था
class 6.
यार. सिक्स में तो मस्त कॉलेज यार, स्कूल एंजॉय किया है. सॉरी, कॉलेज बोल गया, स्कूल एंजॉय किया है. इतना लोड नहीं लिया था. HTML लिया, उसके बाद HTML में कुछ किया नहीं था. स्टार्टेड विद C++ सिंसियरली थोड़ा आफ्टर दैट, क्योंकि कोर्स में भी था मेरे. आई वाज फ्रॉम एन ICSE स्कूल, तो C++ एंड जावा वाज कवर्ड.
Oh,
एंड 11th में आते ही आई वाज अ बिट क्लियर कि मेरे को कोडिंग में काफी इंटरेस्ट है, बिकॉज आई वाज नेलिंग इन स्टडीज आल्सो, पर्टिकुलरली इन CS, क्योंकि मेरे को काफी एक्साइटिंग हो जाता था. मतलब
oh,
ऐसा एक
that's nice.
ऐसा इट इट कम्स टू माय ईगो अगर CS में मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे होते थे.
Hmm.
तो फिर दैट केप्ट मी पुशिंग. तो इट वाज वेरी क्लियर इन माय हेड कि कंप्यूटर साइंस ही करना है. So decided to take on to engineering, and then 11th May also had taken computer science as my optional subject. So re-studied C++ in depth along with some microprocessing languages.
Oh, and till now you done how many languages?
See, I can say I've done three languages, three good languages. That is Python, C++. If you are counting C++ and C as different languages, yeah, they are different languages, but not so different. And
Yeah, but
Java also.
oh, that's nice. So भैया that's so wonderful journey. So भैया मेरा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि हमें मतलब कौन सी लैंग्वेज से स्टार्ट करना चाहिए कोडिंग, अगर हम कोई स्टार्ट करना चाहता है, अगर कोई कॉलेज में फर्स्ट ईयर के अंदर है तो कौन सी लैंग्वेज से हमें स्टार्ट करना चाहिए?
See, regarding my personal experiences and what I have observed keenly, C++ is a good to start language, क्योंकि other than as compared to other languages जो भी है, as compared to Python, C थोड़ा hard है, C++ थोड़ा hard है.
हम्म.
तो होता क्या है ना कि C++ में you have to do more work as compared to writing a code in Python, क्योंकि Python में काफी प्री इंस्टॉल्ड लाइब्रेरीज होती है. और so kind of it makes you lazy, because क्योंकि this is my experience, once you start coding in Python ना you won't switch anywhere, क्योंकि
हम्म.
it's very programmer friendly. But C में you will learn the actual fundamentals of programming कि, और C का syntax situation is also काफी strict, like one thing goes here and there and the C program will get. Obviously हर language का होता है, but हाँ, C का थोड़ा ज्यादा है. आई फील कि
Yeah.
उसमें ज्यादा ही भाई सिंटैक्स वगैरह का रहता है. ऐसे तुम सी से पाइथन स्विच करोगे तो उसमें सिंटैक्स एंड ऑल का इतना झंझट नहीं है, बट या सी आई वुड रिकमेंड, क्योंकि इट क्लियर्स योर फंडामेंटल्स, टोटली क्लियर्स योर फंडामेंटल्स। सी प्लस प्लस के बाद सी में व्हेन यू स्विच ना, तो देर आर नो लाइक डिफरेंट चेंजेस, काफी चीजें सेम है, बस थोड़ा एक दो सिंटैक्स का इधर उधर होता है, बाकी सब सेम है। सो मेरा पर्सनल रिकमेंडेशन यही रहेगा कि स्टार्ट ऑफ विथ सी प्लस प्लस। एंड सेकेंडली, ये तुम्हारे सेकेंड ईयर के कोर्स में भी होता है in computer science.
हम्म
And when you learn concepts like oops, which are very important for your interviews in C++, ना तुम्हारा जो क्लियरिटी है वो बहुत इमेंस हो जाता है, क्योंकि यू आर लर्निंग इन द हार्ड वे।
बेसिक्स हमारे सारे क्लियर हो जाते
या सो बेसिकली व्हेन यू लर्न इट द हार्ड वे ना, काफी फंडामेंटली लर्न करते हो। तो जब तुम सपोज अगर तुमने oops लर्न कर लिया C++ में, राइट, एंड डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स लर्न कर लिया C++ में, so then you can switch to languages like Python and do data structures there also, and it will get very easy
हैं। या
because जो basic fundamentals है वो काफी clear है।
दैट विल लाइक अ पीस ऑफ केक फॉर अस।
या क्योंकि ये मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस भी रह चुका है, सी प्लस प्लस कर लिया तो उसके बाद काफी लैंग्वेज स्विच करना, लैंग्वेजेस स्विच करना इजी होता है।
सो भैया, सो वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सी और सी प्लस प्लस।
स्टार्ट विथ सी प्लस प्लस एंड देन
सो
सी।
कैन so can we skip C or we have to do C?
You can skip C, but yeah, it is required in your course, so like it's a good thing to have a hand on. It's not like see, नौ दस का फर्क है, ठीक है। इफ
Hmm.
10 इज प्लस प्लस, 9 इज सी, इतना ही डिफरेंस है दोनों में, ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है।
Okay. So means मतलब पहले C प्लस प्लस कर सकते हैं and then फिर हम C पे आ सकते हैं।
या and
Okay.
C++ is heavily used by competitive programming people, right? Because compiler oriented है, ठीक है।
Hmm.
The execution of code as to Python in C++ is
Yeah, and
very less. The time
yeah,
execution.
yeah, भैया, and most of the games and compilers are also based on C.
बोल सकते हो, नॉट एवरीथिंग। आज के, अगर आज का सबसे बड़ा एग्जांपल लेना है सी प्लस प्लस पे क्या चीज बेस्ड है, सो इट इज वन ऑफ द basic biggest example that I can take is Windows. Windows is entirely written by C++, and
Okay.
सबसे बड़ा एग्जांपल है कि C++ क्या क्या कर सकता है। बट C++ का अभी धीरे धीरे वो चीजें एक्सटेंड हो रही है, क्योंकि काफी अभी, क्योंकि द थिंग इज ना कि अभी ईज पे आ गई है बात, राइट।
हाँ, ईज पाइथन में।
हाँ, ईज पाइथन में, जावा में, जावा ऑल्सो हैज ग्रेट लाइब्रेरीज। सो अभी बात ईज पे आ गई है काफी। सो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, इवन आई हैव हर्ड दिस, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट इज इवन ट्राइंग टू शिफ्ट द लैंग्वेज फ्रॉम सी प्लस प्लस टू सम अदर।
ओ।
या सो बट सी प्लस प्लस भाई बेस बनाता है। दिस इज माय observation and like I have experienced this as well, so I'll recommend that.
ओके ओके भैया, थैंक यू भैया। सो भैया, कैन यू सजेस्ट सम बेस्ट यूट्यूब चैनल्स टू स्टार्ट कोडिंग एंड ऑल, या फिर सी एंड ऑल?
बेस्ट यूट्यूब चैनल्स, सी अभी कैसा होता है कि मैं रिकमेंड कर दूंगा, दीज आर माय पर्सनल फेवरेट्स, राइट। एंड हर किसी को कोई अलग बंदा कनेक्ट होता है। दीज पीपल आई थॉट ये मेरे को कनेक्ट हो पा रहे हैं, लाइक इनका मेरे को समझ रहा है। तो पर्सनली जिन लोग का मैं बहुत ज्यादा देखता हूँ इज वन ऑफ देम इज कोड विथ हैरी। सब कुछ कवर कर रखा है, फ्रॉम सी, सी प्लस प्लस, एंड्रॉइड डेवलपमेंट, मशीन लर्निंग, वॉट नॉट, लाइक ही हैज कवर्ड एवरीथिंग इन प्लेलिस्ट। एंड अपनी कक्षा इज वन अदर, अपना कॉलेज इज अनदर चैनल बाय अमन दत्तरवाल।
या या,
So he's
अपना
preparing videos, completely like playlist based videos completely for placement purposes. So these two I recommend very frequently to other people as well, because I have learned a lot from them. So yeah.
yeah, can we go for CS50 and all that?
Yeah, the courses, yeah. I would like to add that also. CS50 courses by Stanford, Harvard. I,
Yeah,
yeah, I'm not sure about the exact number, but
yeah, yeah, yeah. That is CS50 only.
yeah, CA50. I guess the course is there on edX.
Yeah, yeah. It is also available on YouTube.
Yeah, so these courses like immensely teach you the fundamentals. I would very much recommend that. Like
Hmm.
fundamentals of programming will be like very crisp and clear.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
yeah.
Bhaiya. Thank you, Bhaiya. So, can you suggest some websites to start coding and all that? Means from where we can read some blogs and all that.
Websites for coding, I would say W3.
Means from which we can practice and all that.
See, W3 schools is like an example that I मतलब मैं बोलूं भी नहीं तो बहुत obvious होता है, right? W3 schools is one of the like widely used website for learning coding, and it's if not a single language, it has multi languages. And the only thing I feel not good about W3 schools is it has more of a textual content because I don't like reading that much. I
No.
prefer videos. So W3 schools is one of them. Code Academy, Bit Degree, Code Wars are some other examples where you can like go and practice through videos. Great websites, and most of the contents are free there. I have personally used
Oh,
them, so yeah, I won't recommend anything that I have not used personally because I won't don't want to guide anyone in the wrong direction. So yeah, these are my top five picks.
okay. Thank you, Bhaiya. So, you can recommend some best books for learning coding.
See,
Means which are easily available and all that. Yeah, you can recommend specifically for C.
basically, we books change, right? Books change from languages to languages. For C,
Yeah, yeah.
I had referred to a book called Learn C the Hard Way,
Learn C the hard way.
but yeah, by Z.A. Shaw. So that
Okay.
is one awesome book, like clear direction introduction to modern C programming, C++ programming. The book has crafted a name itself in the C programming world due to some the code exposure it provides to the readers is immense.
Oh,
And something which you might see in projects on GitHub also is there in the book. So quite it's kind of a resource book rather than learning book for me. And other book that I would prefer for the beginners is C Programming for Absolute Beginners by Dean Miller. Aims to help beginners with powerful and beautiful C programs.
okay. Can we refer letter C?
Yeah, sure. See, कोई book तुमको गलत guide नहीं कर सकता है. So
Yeah, yeah.
there is no as such best क्या है. See, everyone has a different impact on like every author impacts a person differently. So it depends on that.
Yeah, means from your perspective, these books are best.
Yeah, these
We can refer.
I have gone through a bit. I have not
Yeah,
read them fully because, as I said, I'm not that like read wala person. I like
yeah, yeah,
more to learn things.
yeah. So, Bhaiya, can you give some advice that how to be consistent in coding and all that?
Consistent. Okay. Can have a Teda advice for this? Teda.
No, no, I am not a pro. I am not a pro coder.
So
I am a noob coder.
what
That's
I have experienced is कि ये मैंने भी किया है. We go on to learning many languages. कि यार ये भी सीख लेते हैं, वो भी सीख लेते हैं,
hmm.
ये भी सीख लेते हैं, फिर प्रोफाइल अच्छा हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Midway,
Yeah,
what happens is you are like, यार मजा नहीं आ रहा. वो मजा क्यों नहीं आता है?
hmm.
Because somewhere down the line we are just learning and not implementing.
Hmm.
So जो मेरा thought था, I realized it back then when I was having this thought. The thought which initially I liked about programming was, as I told you, कि playing games entirely on PC, and now somewhere as a child I was thinking that कि अब मेरे को एक कहीं ना कहीं बनाने को मिल सकता है. So that hit me, and I realized I was not making something. I was not implementing what I had learned. So like what I would like 100% insist करके recommend to people is, please guys, सीख रहे हो ना तो code it, make a project. Anything,
इम्प्लीमेंट
big,
करना जरूरी है.
yeah, big, small, anything. Because जब वो project complete होके तुम्हारे हाथ में दिखेगा ना, you will have a different feeling, and then actually you will feel that you have learned something, and that excitement keeps you going. The
या
excitement that कि ये भी सीख ले, वो सीख लेते, that is temporary. But the excitement of having built something and show it to others कि I have made this, it's completely running successfully, I can make more. That excitement is totally on a different level.
या दैट इज नेक्स्ट लेवल.
Yeah. So
And that also motivates us कि we have to do more coding and coding all
yeah, like I would recommend at least 3 projects after each, like steps of programming that you're learning. Because like if you're learning C plus plus, for example, when you uh, when you are done with the early stage of like easy stage of learning, implement a project. Go search on Google easy projects for C++ and stuff. Implement that. Refer करके करो, no problem, but करो. Because when you do it on your own, it's a different thing, and when it's done, it's like, yeah, I've done something, I've learned it. So every
that.
each, if I divide learning in 3 steps: easy, medium, and hard. After every step, I recommend you to make a project kind of a thing, a small program kind of a thing, a game, anything should be something that you are implementing after the thing that you have learned totally. And after completing the entire language, this is also one thing that I have learned: you cannot finish entire language. You cannot ever finish a language completely.
Okay.
The field is too vast. Computer science industry is too vast, and so are the languages.
मतलब जो भी लैंग्वेज सीखनी है ज्यादा डेप्थ में मत जाओ. मतलब अपना अपना करके जो भी मतलब जो भी हमको करना है एंड फिर खत्म.
See, depth होता है, depth में you will go when you are deciding on the streams where you want to go exactly: app development, web development, data
हम्म.
science, UI UX designing, analytics. Depth is then. Abhi, as of now, learn the fundamentals. Learn the fundamentals, implement them.
ओके.
Implement नहीं करोगे तो you will get exhausted. You कहीं ना कहीं ये भी हो सकता है कि तुम्हारा प्रोग्रामिंग से मन उठ जाए.
हम्म. इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे तो मोटिवेशन थोड़ा मिलता रहता है कि
हाँ, बिकॉज
या
क्या होता है ना कि जब तुमको लगता है कि तुमने सीखने के बाद कुछ बनाया है, तो इट हैज अ डिफरेंट फीलिंग.
ओके भैया.
वी आर नॉट यूज टू दैट फीलिंग फॉर लाइक, क्योंकि अपना एजुकेशन सिस्टम में ऐसे ही रहा है कि रट लो भाई, मार्क्स ला लो, हो गया. We have never made something, right? So this is the time you are actually getting. You can learn and you can build something.
या which will change the world maybe.
Yeah, maybe. And I would recommend to participate in as many as hackathons possible, because hota kya hai ki when you get problem statements there, you think, and when you have the relevant skills, you make. Irrespective of you are winning there or not, you will have a good experience. Secondly,
Yeah,
you will
because of pressure we made that.
yeah, pressure भी बोल सकते हो and excitement भी बोल सकते हो. And दूसरा क्या होता है कि after each hackathon is done, you have a project in your hand. So the
Yeah.
more hackathons you are participating, the more projects you are getting done.
या विन विन सिचुएशन हो जाती है कभी, मतलब प्रोजेक्ट्स भी बन गए ना हैकाथॉन्स में पार्ट
Yeah,
लेंगे.
and each hackathon is a different experience. So each hackathon will give you a different product. So the more varied and versatile profile you will have.
ओके.
First year, I would recommend to learn C first and try on to give as many as hackathons possible, and try to search about fields like the active fields in like computer programming, web development उठा लो, ठीक है, app development उठा लो, machine learning, AI, ठीक है, and business analytics and data science. Like just go on YouTube, क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है, just try to search about it, so that होगा क्या ना, you firstly you will have a good knowledge of about what fields are. Secondly, deep down you'll know that I want to pursue this sounds interesting. And after,
Yeah.
like at the end of first year, if you are like touching it, you have started scratching any of the topics, for example data science, and in 3 months you are like, this is not what I actually thought. You have immense time, to change. You have
Yeah.
immense time to try on a new field. So if I would have to divide the 4 years of college into a coding perspective, in the first year I totally recommend you all to build your fundamentals in programming, and secondly search for the fields and how exactly they are working and what are the job profiles इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि lately you will get excited by कि what is my gonna life be, like a data science engineer, yeah, like app designer.
Yeah, what we like basically.
Yeah, what we like. So if something connects, you will get to know it. So search about it, read about it. Second year, try different things. After watching videos and career pathways, you will realize that I like few things. So you should definitely try these on. If you don't, if you have sorted three things out of many, try one thing. If you're like enjoying it, do it the entire second year, if you're not enjoying the first thing, change second thing. If you're not enjoying second, change third thing. If you're not enjoying third thing, change fourth thing. So you have a
Means,
year to
yeah.
learn and fix and decide something.
Yeah, means try as much as possible.
Yeah, yeah. So it's a great way of learning, because when you self learn, that's a totally different experience, and you learn more when you're learning through your own self. You get to learn more about yourself as well, because you will get to know the things what you actually like when you are programming.
Yeah, but yeah. And in third year?
Third year, then you have to like master the thing that you are fixed about. The fixed about like कि मेरे को ये बहुत पसंद है, and now I want to pursue this. So third year, just like you have a skill, polish it as much as you can, build your profile to an industry level, and get on some experiences. Find like internships. Do two or three internships, because the things that actually is taught in college and we build ourselves or we learn ourselves are a bit different than the industry requirements. So having a industry experience is a bit like recommended
Important
and
thing.
important.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, like master the skill that you have chosen for, master it completely, so that you are in that top 5% of the lot,
Mm.
and then go on in the industry. Just go, like get jobs, do it, freelance, anything. You should have a thing, but you should have project, I would insist. And third year, try to write blogs if you can about the thing, your journey, because when you share, you get a hit on like many points of yourself on yourself only. Sounds confusing, but yeah, when I explain people some things, मेरे को भी कुछ डाउट्स आ जाते हैं एंड मेरे भी कुछ डाउट सॉल्व हो जाते हैं एंड मेरे को कुछ ज्यादा
Yeah,
रियलाइज.
yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
I would recommend highly writing a blog or explaining it to someone else, making a YouTube channel, because till then you have a good knowledge about the field that you are willing to go on. So in third year, I would highly recommend that, to write a blog, go make a YouTube channel, post some videos. teach-
Yeah, I recently come across a post. So in that written that just document it. Means what you learn, Just document it. So it will increase your skills and it will also bring your personal brand and all.
Yeah, yeah,
So that is a win-win situation.
yeah. That is actually true. Like ये बचपन में सबको बोला गया है कि लिख लिख के पढ़ लो, लिख लिख के कर लो. I have realized it in my second year. Writing
Yeah.
makes a difference. I'm like, I read books off and on. Not a
Oh,
heavy
that's
reader,
right.
but I read books off and on regarding business only. So I have made it a point to write the things that hit me from the book, so that irrespective of I read that book again or not, when I read that line that have written by me in a diary, the entire paraphrase is again in my head.
Yeah.
So the deep learning is there, and the takeaway is always with me because I have made it important by writing it.
Yeah, like what I do, that I watch so many videos and we all consume all means so many content from internet daily. So what I do, what I like from any video, so I just open my notes app and write that good quote or good thing.
That's a
So
really nice thing. That's a really nice thing. You should keep on doing that.
yeah, so when I will free, then I will read that all quotes and all that.
That's a good habit, and it's great that you are implementing it in first year itself.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah. So thanks, Bea, for wonderful tips, and this is a wonderful podcast. And we will surely do some more insightful episodes with you. And guys, you will get all the links of social media handles of Aryan Bhaiya in the description box below. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for listening to this podcast, and stay tuned. Many episodes are coming soon. And if you are watching this podcast on YouTube, then do subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you are listening on Spotify or any other podcast provider, then do follow us on that respective platforms. So thanks for listening. Peace.